I want to go outside. Like, and y'all, I do like this hair. Don't get me wrong. This hair is really cute. But I wanted to add a little bit something extra to it. Okay, look. Y'all about to be fucking shocked. So don't fucking lose your noodles. Chill, okay? Hear me out. Hear them out. This is a new wig from UNice. Do not fucking scream when I do this. It's called Magic Lace. So don't just... Hold on. I know, that's crazy. But listen, hold on. I gotta think, this is kind of smart. This is kind of smart about it. First of all, look at their lace. The lace is eaten. Look how easy that was for me to just switch the whole look. UNice be coming up with some shit. I'm not gonna lie, UNice be like the first company to really come up with some shit. Like, this wig is completely glueless. Yo, I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. That was so convenient. I don't know if that's gonna be a hit or a miss, but I'm not mad at it. It was quick and that was convenient. Like, that was like some magical shit. I see why y'all call it Magic Lace.